Hello YouTube. Today is Saturday, June the 15th, 2019, about 1:35 in the afternoon. We have made it to Avenue of the Giants. This is the literal start. There's my FJ, and right there in front is our very first true redwood. But let me take you up and look at that behemoth. Wow. This is the Avenue of the Giants, it's called. We just entered Redwoods State Park. And I'm going to walk you up to this one that I just showed you up. Oh, there's a fire lookout 7 miles up that road right there. But here it is. Very first true giant redwood, right there. And look at it from this side. That's straight up. Look at the forest, all these ferns. Look at this big crooked one here. My goodness. And all through here. This has got to be where Star Wars was made. You know, with the speed chaser things. But here we are. We are here. I'm already duly impressed. Already duly in love. We'll go on. We'll see what we got. Stay tuned. Wow.
Wow, look at that big one there. Oh man.
That's why I've got look at the craziness of this. Wow. Look at these things in here.
Got like the hiking places.
My goodness. Look at, oh my goodness, this is impossible to believe. You tell Russ I'm making his FJ famous on YouTube in 2 ways.
Danny says he's going to make you famous on YouTube in 2 ways, 2 different videos.
We are always good at that.
Wow.
You could live inside this tree.
We should put a Spice YouTube magnet on the back of our car with a video
Yeah, Danny thinks that's funny.
Well, you tell him
For real, you slap that magnet on the back of whatever he's videoing so he'll get extra people to watch it when they see it.
It is a good idea.
well, you can.
So what do you guys think of these
You tell him I am absolutely in love.
Because we knew how big these suckers were.
Yeah, he said, we're in love right now with these trees.
I am.
Do you want to pull over and walk around them? What do you guys want to do?
You want to, honey?
I could spend 4 or 5 hours.
He said he could spend 4 or 5 hours.
Well, we'll find a spot where we can walk around some of these, okay?
Okay.
We're going to turn in here at Big Trees area, okay?
Big trees area entrance.
Nice. That's nice. Big trees area.
Like the name. Rockefeller Redwood Forest, tall tree. Wow. Man. And look, here's one that's fallen. Look at this.
Oh my gosh, you could make a home in that.
And this is our way through here. So the ferns and everything. Wow, wow, oh wow.
Jeez,
Wow, and there's one that's fallen.
you can get inside that one there.
Gee whiz.
We're not the only one that thought of this.
No, but I mean, this is truly amazing. I guess you just have to go through here and park, right? So, still just walking along. Took a picture of that big monster that's laying on the ground back there. Look at these things.
Find a 6-person tree. 6-person? One that we can put our arms around. That's a small tree, though. Oh, not that small. Yeah, it's pretty small. Oh, no. Okay, come here. Hold on. Come here. Look, come here. See what you can do it around. See, look at that tree right there. You can't do it around that. That's probably the biggest one they've seen. Come here. Billy, Arthur, come here. It's not that big.
Look at this. Ah, isn't that insane?
Leave room for Danny. Come here, Danny. See how small the tree is? Well, we spread out.
Look at that one's burnt.
No, you have to close in.
Well, yeah, wait till
Danny
come
doesn't
here, Danny.
have NBA wingspan.
No, but once he gets here, we'll know.
He doesn't?
We're trying to see what size tree we need to find for the full picture. So spread out. This size. So there you go.
Why are you finding? There we go.
Okay.
Okay, so hunt it out.
There's the size of the tree right there.
Go.
Danny,
And go.
take your GoPro and walk around the circumference of that tree right there.
This one?
No, that big one straight there.
Giant.
That
That'll
redwood
tell,
tree.
When you walk around, how long it takes to get around, that'll tell people how big they are. Because pictures just can't do this justice.
Boy, ain't that the truth. I can't even capture one with a picture. Only a part of
That
one.
one's-
Now, you see this big bad boy here in front of us? Okay. See how tall that is. All right. And you can see the circumference of it from here, right? Show you. I'm going to start right here. I'm going to make me a line. Okay. Now, so here's what we're going to do. We're going to do regular steps, okay? Right around this tree. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. I'm actually on the tree. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29 is my start stop right there. 29 true, normal, not baby steps around this monster right here. This tree here. Let me just show you, okay? Or hopefully I can. Look here. You see this? Now watch this. Let me see if I can get this thing up. With me still in it. Do you see that? And then you look at the fatness. I'm going to wipe that off a little bit. You see the fatness of this tree. Isn't that amazing? That is amazing. Wow. Look at these things. I mean, they're everywhere, and yet they're saying these are far from the biggest ones. That we got to go to a Lady Bird Johnson Redwood Park or something. That's got the absolute biggest ones. That will be way, way bigger than these. Hard to believe.
Hey, honey, this one's a twin tree that's stuck together and grew. Look how cute it is.
They're like clones of each other. Those aren't two separate trees.
Oh, really?
It's a tree that basically separated at the roots and went up like a clone.
All right, let me show you what she's talking about. Look at this, okay? Let's get the screen on.
They're
so I
like
can see it.
Siamese twins, basically.
Check this out. You can see right there, they start splitting. And they widen from there. Look at that. So it's the same base, Two trees, if you will, two twins.
Truly clones. They're identical.
And look at the big, like, burlwood knot on this thing. I mean, that is insane. Wow. Okay, so you're probably sick of me saying wow, but I'm telling you, if you've never been here, and I haven't until today, you got to come. This is a true bucket list. It's a true dream. This is just insane. Okay, here's the amazing thing. You see this tree and it's burnt on the inside. Let me show you here. That is eye level to me, okay? Look at this. It goes way down there. I mean, that's got to be seriously 12 to 15 feet, I would say. Easily down there to the bottom of this tree. There's its width on that side. There's its width on that side. And then all that black in there. Crazy. Then see this little broken down one right here. Goes across the way. Look at all these things are standing. Look at this. I mean, here. Try to shade up my hand. There we go. Get that where I can see it. Look at that. That's so cool. Now, if you want to know why they call these redwood, let me get out of the sun. Can you see this color? I hope so. This is red. And this is redwood.
You gotta learn to use it. I'm still learning.
Check this out.
The clover on top. That's kind of a cool picture, huh?
Look through here. And look at these. Look at this. Look, I mean, just as I wrap around, it's just insane. Look at the black on this one where it's burnt. Here, let's go straight up, okay?
360.
There's my straight up view. My neck's about broke.
Yeah,
I can't hardly talk.
Oh, yeah. I like
Here,
that.
idea.
let's spin
Good
around.
one.
Check this out. Does that make you dizzy? Because it's making me dizzy.
You have the case?
No, RJ, you have it. Oh.
Wow.
No, it's okay. Just make
I
sure.
mean, we don't have to
Wow.
go if I don't want to, and then go back.
Not more than 8 or 10 more miles. That's it.
Where are we going?
We're not putting us out at all. We enjoyed it.
Trust me, you're not getting me to leave. If you want to go home, go on home.
Just leave you here and let
I'm
you
just
live
going
in
to
that
stay
hole.
here.
Yeah, that whole fits you.
Well, if he's going to live here, I'll live here with him. Because, you know what? This is one of the better views I've ever seen, and I've seen a lot of good views.
Spongy.
This is insane.
There's
It's
fiber.
so wet.
This is insane.
No, it's for the moisture, the pulp. Oh, yeah,
All right, I'll go a little further, and then I'm going to bring you some more, okay?